The screen shows the three most basic objects which we can draw in AutoCAD: the line, circle, and of course the arc. Now you'll notice that each one of these objects has a number attached to it. This indicates the positions for the snap. So let's take a look at this line. There are two basic snap positions: the end, the center, and again the end. With the circle, there are also two basic snap positions: the center and the outside. With the arc, we have three basic positions: end, center, end, center point for the arc itself. Okay, so what's the effect of not having object snap turned on? Well, what we're going to do is draw a circle. We're going to try to get this circle in the center of the other. So let's draw my little circle. Okay, so there's the circle, and I want now to be able to put a circle in the center. So I'll click on the circle again, and as you can see, as I hover around the center, there's no snap point. So I'm going to try and get into the center as near as damn it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is turn the snap on. Click on my circle again. Now what I want to do is put a circle right in the center. Bring my crosshair across, and straight away it snaps to the center. So as you can see, the effects of not using the snap and the effect of using snap. So you've got to ask yourself, what is the purpose of the snap? Well, it's there for when we want to place objects in relation to other objects in the drawing which are critical for accuracy. Also, every object we create contains at least one point that is selectable with an object snap. So the settings. As we've learned so far of AutoCAD, there are a raft of settings. So we right click and we can set our different types of object snap. So for instance, with the circle, we can go for the quadrant. So if I was to draw a line, and you can see straight away that will snap straight to the quadrant on any one of these circles. How useful is that? If I want to draw a line which will connect these two together, okay, so we'll go up, we'll select a line from there to there, skip that, another line from there to there, and as you can see, there's a later on we'll show you how to cut and trim objects. Line from there to there, and we'll go for, just to finish it off, we'll go for another one from there, and we'll sneak it up to there. So you can see the effect of having the object snap. It makes life an awful lot easier when we want to draw diagrams which require a good degree of accuracy.